Hey guys, so welcome. I'm posting this on my channel and also posting the link to my Facebook page. Now, this is actually my last subscription box ever that I'm going to have for quite some time, and don't have anything to cut this with. So, but yeah, I had canceled a lot of my boxes, mainly because Tyler and I are planning on buying a house very soon, hopefully. So, unfortunately, a lot of my boxes are canceled, like BoxyCharm, Ipsy, Lorella, like everything. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to buy um, stuff like new releases. I'm going to continue to purchase some new makeup products. So here is the Chic Beauty box. I have no idea what we have in this box, but I do know though it is like wet, but I think it's because of the rain. So here is the Chic Beauty box. Now this is $34.99 every other month. So if you guys were to get this box, it's yeah, literally every other month. Um, but yeah, let's see what we got. I kind of forgot what I picked. So here is Kat Von D Shade Light Blush. Got Mickey and Mallory Shade and Light. So I think the packaging is super cute. I like it. I know that Kat Von D is trying to get rid of a lot of their products. So let's see what this. So it is $25. Here are the shades. I think it's super pretty, very soft, kind of patchy. Stuff shades that I don't really go for, but I mean I'm gonna give this a try. Um, the next thing is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in shade 180. I have been tanning. I honestly do not know if this is going to be a perfect match, but I mean, obviously, we're going to give it a try. I don't think it's going to be a perfect match, but I mean, obviously, here it is. It is a really nice soft shade. It's just right there. I think that's nice. It is retail for $36. I was wondering what that noise was. It freaked me out. George is playing on the floor, and I have Daytona just right here. All right, so I got the. Ooh, never heard about this. Almay Illusionist. Um, this is new, I guess. Sometimes they actually do bring out some new stuff in this box. I'm half tempted to actually keep this, but I don't know. Like, or keep this subscription. I gotta like talk to Tyler, see if we can swing it. But it's like every other month, 34.99 plus like tax and shipping, because actually this company does um, ship from Canada. So obviously it's just kind of an iffy thing. I had to cancel my BoxyCharm, and they just like done the whole July thing for uh, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I've been wanting to try any of their palettes. Like I want their palettes, and I don't have any of her Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's kind of sad that I had to cancel. I'm so sad. I don't know about these. I mean, they could be a little different whenever you're putting them on the eye. I don't know, you guys. So here are the shades. You can barely see them. You could probably actually have this go for a highlighter. I think that is what would be really good with that. My next thing is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Splash Color Splash Lipstick. The packaging is like super cute. So I know some of these lipsticks are actually really nice. Honestly, they have, ooh, that's a really pretty color. Look at that. This shade is called Pink Lemonade. That could be like a really nice like go-to shade. Um, but it retails for $21. That is super pretty. You guys see that? So nice. $21. But I got a red lipstick from them. Uh, from what is it called? Allure, and I'm sorry, and they had some of those lipsticks in there when you first sign up and stuff. But yeah, it was nice. It was really nice. All right, so this is the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh Mist. So that's nice. My hands still smell funny. But yeah, that's all I got in my box. I am rather happy with what I got. And I'm gonna try these out, you know? So give me a minute and I will put some stuff together and I'll see you soon. Alright, so I am using the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh. So I am prepping my face a little bit, so I'm going to also put some primer when this kind of like dries it down a little bit. Also, I forgot to mention, if you guys hear the dishwasher going on right now, that's my dishwasher. We're doing dishes. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you all know. Alright. So that Revlon, um, like spray has a really weird smell to it. But I mean, I don't know. All right. So I'm just going to actually use this and go from there. See how it works. I know I have not done like a compact foundation in literally such a long time. Um, at one point, honestly, like I never really did because, you know, at one point I was like really dry, but now I don't see this as a full coverage um, foundation. Um, Now I probably would more of do this as a like a setting, like a setting base. Set my face with this, but I mean I can definitely see me using this a good bit. Um, Now this is like just gonna be a whole try on portion of like the products that I just got in this box. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna add in some mascara and um, and blush and stuff. But yeah, I just thought I'd let y'all know. I'm not gonna do a whole like eyeshadow look or anything, but yeah, might as well just because I knew I was gonna do like a video today. I just had no idea like what, like exactly I'm gonna, like what I was gonna do. So I was like, I want to like make sure I keep up with my posts on my channel. And of course, that's one thing I was like making sure of. Let's see. I'm gonna put on some bronzer real quick. Um, yeah, I'm sorry about the noise, you guys. One day I will get. We're gonna get out of this house and we will, um, like, oh, I really like that. So I kind of like just mixed it. It's not like that bad. It gives me like a really nice pink. But it's not that bad. Not that bad at all. All right, let me put on some. I'm gonna set again. This leaks. Yeah, this totally leaks. All right, I'm gonna put on some mascara. But yeah, like I'm not going to go full force on the makeup. I just thought. Now, if I was like going out and about, I probably would definitely use this powder foundation. I mean, I never would have like uh, thought. I think it's very comfortable. I would definitely use this again. All right, and then I'm gonna actually use the quad. Whoops. As like a highlighter. Let's see how that goes. Maybe that would look really pretty. It's not too like crazy, but it's really nice whenever you're trying to do like a nice like quick easy thing. And then of course the Tarte Pink Lemonade lipstick. Mm, uh, I don't think. I think it's a little too light for me. Mainly because I have been tanning. I don't think it's like a really like good. I mean, it is a really good product. It's really nice. I enjoy it. Um, but I think it'd be more of like, when you like do the ombre look, maybe that would look a lot better if you do like a dark lip and then pop some of this on. I think that would look really nice. But I don't think alone would be really good. Um, Overall, this box I'm not really mad at. I do like this. I thought that the shade would not look good with my skin because I have been tanning, and also this is really nice, the KBD blush, and I think this one is also really nice too. I probably will be using this a lot. Um, what else? The All Night thing, I would not use this as an eyeshadow, but maybe as a highlight. It does get on rather nicely, and it's like a more glowy neutral look. So I like that. Um, is that all that I got? Oh, and the setting spray, the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set Refresh. I feel like it has a really bad smell. The sprayer kind of sucks. But I probably will finish off some of the setting sprays I do have and just use it that way. Um, but yeah, overall, I think this box is really nice, and um, I might um, go back or continue with this box. The only reason why I would cancel it is just because honestly, Tyler and I, like I said, are planning on buying a house, and I just don't have, or we just need to start saving more money instead of like spending it. So I hope you all have a fantastic evening, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.